All right, so Telling Lies is nominated tonight. Have you played Telling Lies?
Of course.
All right. It's about Blizzard making Warcraft 3 Reforged.
Sure.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you over the sound of Blizzard censoring everybody. Too much? Too much?
No, just enough.
Just enough.
No, you did it right.
Thank you.
Of course, everybody free Hong Kong.
Twitch just made such a big, huge, amazing change. So what this means is essentially if you have accounts that you've created, so there's a big issue on Twitch of people who create multiple accounts. They create accounts over and over again to troll people. And so you have somebody who creates an account, they come in, they say, hey, fuck you, and then you ban them, and then they come in with another account, they go, hey, fuck you, because it's so easy to create new accounts. But now what it looks like they've done is they've changed it. So if you create a second account after your first account has been banned, that second account is shadow banned. The message does not show up in chat for any accounts on the same IP, I guess. I'm assuming IP at this point. That is fascinating and amazing and something that Twitch streamers have been asking for the longest time.
You're streaming.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah.
You just walk around.
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, walk around and talk to them and ask where stuff is.
That's what I've been doing. Can't find
I think it's only organic.
I haven't seen any brands that make this
Whatever is most expensive is the best.
Is that what,
That's how it works,
they're
yeah.
selling you?
Yeah, that's what they told me, yeah.
That's a lot of sips.
Yeah.
It's a shameless stream right there.
Exactly. Exactly. Shame, yep. Thank you, you're welcome. Sorry.
Trash it, change it, mail upgrade it, charge it, point it, zoom it.
Are you sure I go crazy?
Yeah? Oh my god. What? Really? Are you crazy? No, really? That's so funny. No, really? Yeah, no, just tell him, yeah. Yeah, just tell him. It's okay. I'll come over. Yeah, I'll come right now.
I use it, break it, fix it, trash it, change it, mail, upgrade it, charge it, point it, zoom it, process, snap it, work it, quick, erase it, write it, cut it, paste it, save it, load it, check it, quick, rewrite it, surf it, scroll it, pause it, click it, cross it, crack it, switch, update it, name it, read it, tune it, print it, scan it, send it, fax it, name it, touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop formatting.
What a fuck?
Pepe good.
What is this shit?
11 months.
What, you guys trolled it, dude? You guys trolled the fucking poll, man! Okay, this chat's true.
Yeah, good hold from Red Team. Oh my god, the soldier! Oh my god! What the fuck did I just see? Nobby with a huge bomb!
You ready?
Lamont, please stop getting your haircuts at the barber college. They really mess you up. Soy boy.
Does that make me crazy? Does that make me crazy? Boy, for me. I hope you do that.
actually caught a lot of that. Yeah. Can I ask a question? I don't know because I don't know the Twitch meta. Who the fuck is the McConnell Rec guy? People keep telling me that he listens and like talks shit.
Greetings from Croatia. We are having a party here. Drinking, listening to the music, watching your stream.
Wow.
Everybody sends kisses.
Wow.
You are the best. Less than 3.
Back the fuck up. I'm drunk. That's not okay. Don't kiss drunk people. Get out. Wow. Kiss each other. Go on. I'm watching. I like that. I'm holding.
We're all crying in the chat, but it's fine. So the thing I wanted to talk, I guess, about...
How do you read your chat? Doesn't it go so fast?
Well, right now it's not even going fast, but now that you mention it, it's going to go a lot faster. Yeah.
How do you read it so quick? How do you read that?
I just got used to it, I think. I got used to it. It gets worse on like... Right now we're at 6,000 viewers on like
saying boomer to me. I can see that.
Yeah,
because everybody
so that's
said.
not so you can't even see they're actually using emotes. So if you look at my screen, you'll see what like it actually looks like on my screen. Most of the words here, just take a look at my screen if you have it open right now. Most of the words that you see right now are a third-party program that like enables emotes. So they're actually writing code basically that turns into images.
All right, so what is that, like ghosts? All right, what?
No, that's a meme. That's a meme. And we don't have a lot of time, so I